constituencies under a PNM government. That is the red blood flowing in our streets. And that is why they don't want us to call them out, but we will call them out. There's nothing racist about this. This is about PNM destruction and their failure to help those most in need wherever they are. Too many of our children have already died under the PNM. Too many are suffering under their reckless rule. Now is the time, I say to PNM supporters, wake up, rise up, and leave the PNM which has betrayed you all these years. You know, they didn't even give you a choice to select your own leader in the PNM. And if you don't care for yourselves, look, put your children first, put their lives. Stand with the United Coalition of Interests. Stand with the UNC, defend your children from gangs, from being slaughtered. Rowley has abandoned you. Stuart Young, the 137 times recuser, is now being forced upon you. PNM supporters, did you choose Stuart Young to be your Prime Minister? No. Trinidad and Tobago, did you choose Stuart Young to be your Prime Minister? The answer is no. So I invite you into the home of the UNC, the United Coalition of Interests. You know your lives and children were safer under my UNC government. I'm inviting you to come to a home which loves you and will take care of you. A home where democracy is alive. A home where the people come first. A home where you will not be forgotten. Come to the United Coalition of Interests. Come to the UNC. To come where you and your family will have a future of prosperity, a future of security, and a future of peace. Our doors are wide open. Brighter days are coming under the rising sun. Come into the light. Free yourself from the blood and blight of Rowley and Young and all those in the PNM. I tell you, I am a leader who loves this country. A leader who loves every one of you. Every time I speak, I tell the United Coalition of Interests, the UNC